Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm over at my sister's house and I am looking at my broccoli plants. Let me show you guys what they look like. So here is, oh my goodness, y'all look. Oh my goodness, I'm happy I didn't give up. I was about to pull these up. Oh, this one obviously needs to be pulled up. And this one might need to be pulled up. I don't know. I'm gonna have to water these. I feel like I need to put some more soil in here, but all the soil is at my house. All right, so now I'm walking to the back. I'm about to water everything, but I'm walking to the back to see what the plants back here are looking like. Oh, they're looking fine. Okay, let me show y'all. Okay, come through, plants. Okay, we just needed to get past that little cold front. Okay, I see y'all trying to do something. I'm happy. Spinach trying to grow back. There's nothing in this, so I don't know why I still have it right there. What that is over there, I guess it's just a weed because I have nothing in here. And this is broccoli too. That's been on the struggle bus for a very long time. But like I said, I am about to water everything. Many of you know that me and this garden have like a love-hate relationship. Like, it has taken me on a roller coaster. I have been gardening for about a year now because I started in February of 2024. Y'all, let me tell you, it has been an absolute struggle. I am not lying. I just want to show you guys that this one is definitely no good. So I'm about to pull this one up. And what I was doing is I took the soil that I showed you guys that I said there's nothing in here, it's like a weed or something, and I am putting it into these ones to give them more soil, just to, you know. But I am about to pull this one. I had totally forgot about that soil in the back, so I'm happy I didn't have to go all the way home just to get some soil and then bring it back over to my sister's house. So my sister's house and my house, they're like maybe 15 minutes away from each other. I would say it's not too far, but it is a nuisance to actually have to go all the way to her house just to tend to my garden. Again, I cannot wait to actually get my own place and have my own yard and grow my own food and actually tend to it better and everything else. But anyways, you guys, I am just filling up these grow bags with more soil because for some of them, some of the roots were showing, and I'm not sure if that's because we got rain, we got snow, we got rain, we got wind, y'all. We got sunshine right now, y'all. This South Carolina weather is insane. It's always going up and down, something like me in this garden. So I was just thinking that they no longer need this cage around it. So maybe that's why they keep breaking and not growing properly. So what I'm about to do is remove this cage and just let them be. Now move the 2 empty grow bags to the back, clean my mess up, and yeah. I am super excited about my spring/summer garden, you guys. I am ready to put into what I've learned, all of the mistakes that I've learned from this past spring/summer garden, what I've learned from all of those mistakes. So again, I'm super excited about what I am going to be able to grow and of course what I'm going to kill. But it's just all a learning process for me, and I'm just super excited about that. Anyways, you guys, I am just cleaning up my mess, taking things back into the shed. My sister did buy a shed. I don't think I ever showed you guys, but you could see it in the background when I'm walking around and also when I'm talking to you guys. But I can't wait for my raised bed to be put up so I could put more things in there. I think I forgot to mention that I'm planting potatoes and onions as well. All right, everything is all done. I have 4 broccoli plants in the front and I have 1 in the back. This is looking a lot better. I actually got to bring my plant food with me because I bought some more, and yeah, so I didn't get to feed my plants today. Probably feed them later on this week or this upcoming weekend because it's the new month and I try to feed them every month. That seems to have been working for me, so I want to continue to stick with that and actually feed them every month. Every month. I am going to start my, oh wait, It's February. I'm supposed to, why was I about to say I'm gonna start my seeds on February 1st? Girl, it's the 2nd. Get it together. So yeah. Okay, I need to be starting I'm gonna start my seeds this upcoming weekend. So I think that's gonna be like the 8th or something. Yeah. Oh my goodness. I didn't even realize that. I need to get my life together. But anyways, this is what the back is looking like. I'm so happy about this is Black Magic Kill. And then this is Dino Kill over here struggling. And then down here, yep, don't remember. I did get some garden markers. Yeah, I don't know what this was. I want to say cauliflower? I don't know. I have to go look at my past videos because I don't know what that was. Yeah, this is what everything's looking like. And here is the other broccoli plant. This one, oh, you know what? I could have put some, let me put some soil in this one too. Last month just got away from me. I don't know what I was thinking. I'm going to go ahead and pick up some more soil. I did buy some cocoa coir, and I'm going to try to make my own starter mix. I've seen a whole bunch of videos of people making their own starter mix instead of me buying that expensive Miracle Grow, which is like $9. All right, so now that I am done, everything is looking a lot better. I didn't put any more soil into the spinach because the spinach doesn't grow that. Or maybe I should have. Y'all, I don't know. What the heck is going on? Whatever. I'll just leave it as is. But yeah, we'll see what happens next weekend. Why is that sun just kissing me, y'all? Thank you all so very much for joining me today. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye. I just wanted to show you guys that this one definitely